Severe flooding on the US East Coast has caused devastation. More than 20 people died, with some victims drowning in basements. Remnants of Hurricane Ida brought heavy rain to the area. Transit around the region has also been disrupted. Many train services have been cancelled or delayed, and some flights have been temporarily grounded. More than 200,000 homes in New York, New Jersey, and Peninsula have lost electricity. The mayor of New York City described the flooding as historic, as the National Weather Service declared a flash flood emergency in the city for the first time.